Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to set or add different additional costs for multiple product or different product in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in cart page and we have 3 products. So we are going to add additional cost or delivery charges for multiple product, and we are going to set different additional costs for each product, different additional costs for multiple product. Now you see subtotal 35.40, and then you see shipping flat rate $90, total 1 to 5.40. So we are going to add additional cost fee and display in cart page, checkout page, admin order edit page, my account order page, and also display in emails. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation, on left side you see code snippet, and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. And then you see select the code type. Now select PHP snippet, so click on it. Now create custom snippet section open, and then you can add title, and then you see code preview. Now paste code, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now in custom code you see additional cost array, and then you see product ID, and this is our price for this product. So we are going to add our product ID. Now go to edit product. Now you see 4705. Now copy back to code. Now add here, and for 4705 product you can set price according to requirement. Now you see 5, so you can set $10, $20 for this product ID. Now go to another product, and then you see product ID 804. Now copy back to code. Now paste here, and then you see $10 for this product ID. So you can add product ID and additional cost for each product according to requirement. If you want, you can add more product. Now you see, just copy this line and paste, and then add product ID and cost, and then you see additional delivery cost, so display in cart and checkout pages. And then scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to cart page and refresh the page. Now you see subtotal 35.40, shipping flat rate $90, and then you see additional delivery cost for ceramic mug $10, additional delivery cost for ceramic bird E and $5, total $140, and then click on proceed to checkout. So we are going to place order. So we are in checkout page. Again you see additional delivery cost, custom charges for both product. Now select payment gateway, enable this option, and then click on place order. Now you see order received done, and on order page also you see additional delivery cost. Now go to my account order page. Again you see here. Now go to edit order page in dashboard. Now you see again additional delivery cost for both product. Now go to Gmail to check. So we are in emails, and then you see additional delivery cost for product. Again you see additional delivery cost for this product. You see price. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.